enemies. This train will also need major upgrades to its speed and damage resistance. You should gather as much metal plates as you could to improve the train performance. Here is a map. You can check it out to see David Howe's position and drive this train there. Let's go.
Welcome to Prison Escape Journey, where every decision could lead you to freedom or deeper into trouble. Carefully I'll lift this rug. Underneath lies the beginning of the boldest plan of my life. Dig and keep digging. Every bit counts before the warden comes back. I have to seize every second. Never leave anything behind. Every nail, every piece of wire. Don't forget to wipe away all traces. Trade the items we collect for things that will help us carry out the plan more effectively. All will become tools for survival. Let's gear up with a little extra firepower to speed things up. Add a few decorative items so no one gets suspicious. Just a little more and I'll step out of this suffocating place. Ready? The escape begins now!